Hey guys, Diana here from strategicfinances.net, empowering women to build wealth online. So today I want to show you how you can improve your own credit with our DIY My Credit System, or do it yourself My Credit System. So I went through the system, and before going through the system, I had like never looked at my credit. I didn't know what my score was, and I wasn't planning on looking at it because, frankly, I had made, yeah, I knew I didn't have good credit because I knew, like, right out of college, I was trying to get a house, and they were telling me some things that I needed to do to improve my credit. So I know I didn't have great credit just from there. And then after that, I didn't even know what to do with my credit. I literally didn't. So I did nothing. But after going through this My Credit System, I was empowered to increase my credit score almost 100 points. And so it took me step by step, right? The first step is actually looking at your score, but it's like, how do you do that, right? So I'm going to go through with you what you'll get with this My Credit System if you're looking to improve your credit and maintain good credit. Not only am I building great credit, but I know how to maintain it. I know how to play the game. I know how to play the credit game, right? So I'm just going to take you through the module. So this is a 750 credit plan. So 750 is great credit. 850 is excellent credit, but 750 is a great um, goal to get to, because you can save so much money on, a home or a vehicle. You can save so much money on interest just by having a 750 credit score. And obviously, if you have even better than that, if you can achieve a 850 is like excellent, right? But 750 is great credit. So it'll save you a lot of money. So I'm just going to take you through what I went through. It was very I'm a busy mom, wife, entrepreneur, and I didn't have a whole lot of time, but I knew I wanted to improve my credit. And so because I'm looking to get uh purchase our home, right? Purchase our first home, our first property, our first investment property. And so I wanted to improve my credit. So I went through this course. It's about 2 hours total, but it's broken down into short, bite-sized video modules, which I love because I was able to go through the module and then implement, right? One at a time, right? So module one is an introduction to the 750 credit plan, okay? In this module, you will get a tour of the website and a lesson on how credit scores are calculated, right? You get that education first, right? Then module two, obtain your credit report, right? And your credit score. So in this module, you'll learn how to request free copies of the report and where to get scores and monitoring. Module three, you'll learn how to read your credit report, right? Module four, you'll learn how to dispute items on your credit report. Right. So, really important, you don't want to dispute online. And this module will explain why. Okay. And then module five, how to remove negative payment history. And your payment history is a huge chunk of your score, right? A huge percentage of what makes up your credit score. So you definitely, if made some mistakes in the past, there's a way to actually remove your negative payment history, right? We give you the template letters, right? The dispute letters. A lot of people ask me about these letters, and yeah, we give you the letters, a template. So everything is filled out. All you have to do is put in your personal information, okay? And then module six is how to reduce credit utilization. And this is a major part of your score. So you definitely want to check this module out. And then module seven is how to add credit history, right? Module eight is how to properly apply for new credit. Okay. And then module nine is how to get credit mixture. And this is important. You'll learn. I'm not going to give it away here, but yeah, you will learn in Module 9 how to get credit mixture, and then Module 10, you'll learn how to check disputes. And what I loved about this course is that it showed you how to be organized. It has you, you got the hookup with this course, really. It shows you how to be, how to organize this whole process, how to set it up, how to organize it. Very, 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 very easy, I will say. Okay, this is a great option for you. If you don't want to pay, I know you can pay, you can pay a third-party company to fix your credit, like Lexington Law. I know they were contacted me for years, and I never went through with it because I'm like, I just didn't really get it. I'm like, why are y'all gonna improve my credit? Which, that works for some people. That's fine. If you want to do that, do that. But for me personally, I just didn't want to do it. I just didn't quite understand it. And then some of the business partners I have, team members I have, they say how they have paid a third party company to repair their credit, and nothing really happened, or very little happened. So I'm like, I love this DIY. It's good to at least know, even if you're going to use a third party company, because maybe you feel like you don't have time to fix your own credit, it's good to have the knowledge about what credit is, how to achieve good credit, how to play the game, how to improve your credit, how to maintain good credit, because that's good for you as an individual. And then you can pass it on to your children, because they're going to need good credit. You know what I mean? So I love this course because it empowers the individual to improve their own credit through education and then implementation, and give you the tools and everything. So, and then you have a module on income shifting, which this is going to help you with your credit utilization. This is something you really need to look into. All right. And so there's your 750 credit plan. All right. So do it yourself credit enhancement program provides guidance on how to improve your credit score, literally. And I was able to go through the system and improve my credit score, almost 100 points. And I'm probably about to reach 100 points or more with some new moves that I've made based on the credit mixture, right? So I've made some moves, I had some knowledge, I took some action, and that's going to be reflected here shortly, and I will have achieved over 100 points credit score increase. So yeah, if you want to learn more, if you want to pay one time for it, you can click the link below, get more information, or if you want to get it for free, there's a way you can get it for free, actually. I'll just leave it at that. Just click the link below. Also, learn about income shifting and see how you could get this course for free. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.